I want to show you I'm not alone on this hiking. And let me show you what is going on. They are mountains, beautiful rocks. I just love the person who designed this. This was really truly genius because they decided to make their way through. They told themselves they just wanted to make the coolest place ever, and there's water, but there's no electricity though. That's what to say. We're using lamp and there's a campfire. I'll go inside and show you the campfire. I couldn't show you yesterday how I got here because unfortunately I got here, I was super wet. It rained, being in the mountains, it kept on drizzling. And you're gonna see when I'm putting on plastics, really. It was crazy, but I enjoyed it. And what I made sure I prepared myself. I always carry with some, maybe you can carry some like lemon, ginger, just not gonna mix in hot water to cool you down, just in case you avoid, they prevent you from having heavy flu, ahead of time. But really, I keep showing you exactly where I am, and it's really super beautiful. Is it just because I love nature that I keep on promoting it and just showing you? But really, I love nature. I love hiking. Wow, so today we're gonna see ourselves going back. Me and my colleagues are gonna go back down there. We're going back home, but truly this has been, I would say, it has been a blessing to me. I really appreciated it. Truly, even if you don't believe in God, whatever way you believe in, always find time and just come and be with nature. Talk to yourself. Sometimes we find ourselves being rude. You're like, yo, why am I so rude? And it really just wants you to take a moment just away from everything. So right now I'm just here. I can't even hear the birds singing. Just breezes, fresh air between mountains in rocks that keeps on, it's blowing me. And I'm really appreciating it. So here is a moment whereby I really get to have the self-introspection and see where my life is getting me. Sometimes, and this way I have to question myself, okay, what have I been wrong? Where do I need to improve? At the end of the day, yes, you'll find the solutions within you, but then as you get back to your home, that's when you start to work on yourself. That's when I have to improve in certain area. I have to improve on myself. And that's another way, because really we all need self-introspection. Otherwise, if we don't have that, we end up making silly decisions whereby those decisions, and they give us, some of them will be long term, and some of them will be, short term. But then most of the time we make really long-term decisions that's really going to affect our lives, and at the end of the day you realize people committing suicide and different stuff. But if we give ourselves time and where we can go and refresh ourselves, memories, Really, this is the best way. I think I wouldn't even prefer a massage. I think I'll prefer to come to a place like this, meditate, and also appreciate nature. This is when you get to say, Lord, thank you for the gift of life. Thank you for the mountains. Because sometimes you get to read, if you're a Christian, if you read and say that God moves stones, He moves mountains. Okay, then I will say like, okay, how does He move mountains? He created them. But haven't you seen places? Even I think there's when you look at these rocks, trust me, they keep moving. They really move. Yeah. But anyway, this is what I have to share right here. We're about to leave. Enjoy. We're back home, and trust me, I've promised I'm going to share every single moment in details, how beautiful nature is, and how it looks like. So I'm going to be sloping down, and I want you to keep on enjoying. So that is a car behind me. So they quickly go through all those mountains there. Literally, this is beautiful. I think I'm so much addicted to nature, but I love nature. So I would really love you to love nature too. Literally, it's beautiful. There's a water stream right here. Literally, I've got to see everything. Everything. Mountain, water stream. Everything is beautiful and it's amazing. So, a nice one, a quick one. You know what? Always smile. Be nice to people around you. And guess what? My phone blacked out and someone helped me with the power bank. So I'm busy to charge this phone and I keep on walking, showing you the view. Otherwise, I was a bit worried that, oh my word, I won't be able to capture these memories. I won't be able to share. Look, just there, look. I was like, I won't be able to capture these memories, but I'm able to because a good Samaritan helped me to charge. Now I'm charging. Keep enjoying with me. Can't still walk hike. There's this car that brings you up. There's some people in the car. You can sit down there. It's a car coming. You can still get to enjoy this beautiful nature. Yeah, probably you're gonna pay extra, but you're still gonna enjoy. Come to think of that, it's really beautiful. That's in front of me. Finishing, this is the finishing. This was the starting point, and this is the finishing point. Wow, the walk has been awesome. The hiking has been awesome. I think it's one thing I've tried, and I hope to do it again.